It's a new 2019 Honda Fit. No matter what your cargo carrying needs are, this Honda will make it fit. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Streaming audio, power heated mirrors, front heated leather bucket seats, wireless phone connectivity, leather steering wheel, continuously variable automatic transmission, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and i4 engine. Cars.com reports Honda has concocted an elixir of most things small car shoppers want, and the results are mighty desirable. It's a Honda, so longevity comes standard. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Well, in this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
When you buy from us, you become part of the Hersons Auto Group family. Stop in today on S Frederick Rd in Rockville, Maryland.